Namaste. Those of you who are new to astrology and when they started searching about astrology on the YouTube, right now probably they must have discovered Jupiter in Aquarius is something everybody is curious about. In this video, we are going to take a look at the significance of this placement in general, placement of Jupiter in Aquarius in all 12 bhava, famous people who have placement of Jupiter in Aquarius in their natal horoscope, and we are also going to see what are the career interests for somebody who has Jupiter placed in the sign of Aquarius in the natal horoscope. If you are new to this channel, please click subscribe and notice the email ID associated with this YouTube channel, that is iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. If you have any doubts, any questions about astrology, this channel or this particular video, feel free to send an email. Now let us see the significance of Jupiter in the sign of Aquarius. Jupiter is Devaguru Bruhaspati. Aquarius, Kumbha Rashi, is the sign about social circles, big networks, network circles. And this network circle could be logical network circles, it could be spiritual network circles, it could be all the friends that you have, or in these modern days, it can be about internet and social media. Jupiter shows the wisdom someone has. For example, someone has Jupiter placed in the sign of Aquarius. It means it is bringing the wisdom from past about all these big social networks. If someone has Jupiter placed in the sign of Sagittarius, it means they are bringing the wisdom from past related to all the theories, philosophies. Jupiter owns two signs that are Dhanu, Sagittarius, and Pisces, Meena Rashi. Jupiter gets exaltation in the sign of Cancer, that is Karka Rashi. And when this Jupiter transits through the sign of Aquarius or is placed in the sign of Aquarius, it is going to give you lot of gains, big connections, because Jupiter is a multiplier. Wherever the Jupiter is placed in your natal horoscope, you can have more than one things that you know about that house, that Karakatva. Let us see how this Jupiter will express if it is placed in the natal horoscope in 12 different bhavas. If Jupiter is placed in the sign of Aquarius in Lagna, first bhava, it means the native has Kumbha Lagna, native has Aquarius ascendant. In the first house in Lagna, Jupiter gets Digbala, Jupiter has maximum strength. So Jupiter in the first house in Lagna in Aquarius sign is going to give you multiple identities. It can give you multiple aspects about how people know you in the society. It could be about your flesh body. It can sometimes show weight gain as you age. In the sign of Aquarius in the first house, now what is happening? Jupiter is bringing the wisdom in the first house, but from where? The two houses, the two bhavas that Jupiter rules, and that is second bhava sign Pisces and the 11th bhava, that is Sagittarius. Depending on the placements of planets in those two signs or houses, Jupiter is going to bring that wisdom from the past, and you could be somebody dealing with multiple systems, big social networks, and those social networks could be the way I mentioned in the beginning of this video. One known famous personality with this placement of Jupiter in Lagna in Aquarius is Isaac Newton. Let us see Jupiter placed in the sign of Aquarius in second bhava. Second bhava means the ascendant is Capricorn. In second bhava, Jupiter is bringing the wisdom from past about your family, family values, earning, voice. So person can have multiple voices. They could deliver many speeches. The earning can be dependent on the way they talk. In second bhava, Jupiter is going to multiply all the significations of second bhava. Known example of Jupiter in Aquarius in second bhava is Ted Turner. Jupiter placed in the natal horoscope in the third house in Aquarius. If Jupiter is placed in the third house, it is going to multiply the significations of third bhava, and that is multiple announcements, multiple businesses, multiple publications, or multiple writings. It could be starting multiple businesses. Here Jupiter combines the energies of fourth and first bhava. Jupiter placed in the natal horoscope in fourth bhava in Aquarius. Fourth bhava is about your mother, your family, your homeland. It is about the vehicles that you possess. Jupiter multiplies these significations, and usually person has a wisdom related to the roots, their origin, their homeland, or they can have multiple settlements. Here Jupiter is bringing the energy from bhava 5th and 2nd. If Jupiter is placed in the 5th house, 5th bhava in the sign of Aquarius in the natal horoscope, this Jupiter will signify wisdom about creativity, kids, education. It can multiply all the significations including intelligence. The person can know many things. It can have wisdom about entertainment. Jupiter is bringing the outcome or the energies from bhava 6th as well as bhava 3rd. If Jupiter is placed in the sign of Aquarius in natal horoscope in 6th bhava, that means it shows multiple intelligence related to service industry, banking industry, mortgage industry. It can show imbalance in your life. It also shows somebody who is going to make best use of the current situation and provide service and earn money. Could be a doctor related to healthcare. They can have multiple service ministries. You could be working in a restaurant, hotel. You could be a manager over there. Everywhere Jupiter is in Aquarius, it is going to bring you wisdom from big circles. The person can have many friends, they can have many colleagues, they could be connected in various systems. Jupiter is going to multiply those significations. And the houses like 3, 6, 8 and 12, Jupiter does multiply some negative things as well. However, we cannot come to direct conclusion about what is going to happen unless we see the whole horoscope. The position of Lagna, Lagnesh, the position in Navamsha chart, the nakshatras, placement of moon. So, even if you have Jupiter placed in the houses 3, 6, 8 and 12, do not worry, do not come to any negative conclusion. Jupiter is bringing you wisdom. Remember to make use of it, and people can definitely earn through that. Jupiter placed in the 7th bhava in Aquarius. In 7th bhava, Jupiter is going to bring the past experience or the past wisdom that is coming from 8th house and 5th house. The 7th house can promise you multiple business partners, multiple businesses, multiple alliances. Jupiter in 7th looks at your ascendant. So this is a great placement. Even though 7th house is a Maraka house, do remember that Jupiter is bringing you the wisdom and you will be able to do good from here. Jupiter placed in the 8th bhava in Aquarius in natal horoscope. This is known as Harsha Yoga because Jupiter is combining the wisdom or bringing the energy from which bhava in the 8th house. It is combining houses Bhava 9 and Bhava 6th. 6th Lord placed in the 8th house. That is one of the Viparit Raj Yoga. This person can have multiple secrets. They can have great research ability. They can do research related to various things. They may be somebody who is dealing with astrology, other occult sciences. Jupiter can definitely give you affinity and liking, wisdom related to modern electric and electronic systems. So these people could be in computer engineering, computer science. They could be working in research related to finding out multiple transformations, multiple changes, or they could be researching some food products, nutrition related research, because from 8th house Jupiter is aspecting your 2nd house. Jupiter placed in Aquarius in natal horoscope in 9th bhava. In this placement, Jupiter is bringing the wisdom, past life experience related to 10th house and 7th house. In 9th bhava, Jupiter shows multiple philosophies, multiple publications, multiple doctrines, multiple associations with various religious systems. It could be multiple connections with your father's philosophies. Jupiter in 9th house will definitely give you a lot of work related to writing and communications. It aspects your lagna, so this is a good placement to have. Definitely this person can have leadership role in the organization because Jupiter is combining 10th and 7th houses. This position can also offer worldly fame. So if you have Jupiter placed in the 9th house, see the other placements and definitely you could be somebody who is very active in your social circle and getting noticed related to your intelligence. Jupiter in Aquarius in the 10th bhava. In 10th bhava, Jupiter is bringing the past wisdom about which houses? It is bringing the wisdom related to 8th house as well as 11th house. A person definitely knows a lot about insurance, inheritance, how to deal with other people's money. This is a placement where somebody has to make sure they take care of the secrets that they get from people. You could be somebody who has large network circle. This is a placement where you may notice some ups and downs because 8th house is connected. It may notice multiple transformations as well, but this promises multiple types of social responsibilities. You could be very active, you could be very busy. Jupiter placed in Aquarius in 11th bhava. This is a placement where Jupiter is multiplying network circles, multiplying gains, multiplying rewards. And what are the energies Jupiter is bringing in? Jupiter is bringing the energies from 12th and 9th bhava. So you could be somebody dealing with networks related to sleep, walking, spirituality, private sanctuaries. I know someone who works in the manufacturing plant that manufactures mattresses. They are doing all the research related to mattresses because they are bringing the wisdom about how to improve all the issues related to a person's sleep. You could be a doctor or a healthcare worker who is working related to issues of feet. Jupiter placed in the Aquarius sign in the 12th bhava. That means you will have multiple sanctuaries, multiple institutions, multiple organizations related connections. In 12th bhava, Jupiter is bringing connections from the 1st bhava and 10th bhava. So this is also position related to your work. You are somebody who is working towards giving more visibility to some product, some person, some organization. And this is a placement where you will bring your skills, your wisdom that you have gained from past. You may have a lot of intuitions that you will use constructively to help others. Always remember, whenever Jupiter goes into Dusthana, being into the service industry is the best thing. First help others, and that way then you can earn all the material rewards. Hope this helps you understand the placement of Jupiter in natal horoscope in all the 12 bhava. The famous people who have Jupiter placed in Aquarius are Isaac Newton, Ted Turner, Marilyn Monroe, Yukteswar Giri, Albert Einstein, Alan Watts, Andrew Johnson. So these people are famous working in different fields. Jupiter has multiple types of intelligence associated. So this is a great placement, and this is a placement which will bring you material gains as well. Always remember, Jupiter is a multiplier. Wherever you put him or wherever it is placed in your horoscope, it is going to multiply the significations as well as the outcome from the conjunct planets. If you are noticing any negative effects about Jupiter, the remedy is teach the kids who don't have enough money to pay for their education. Donate money, but actually donate your time. That is more important. That will give you higher rewards, higher returns. Helping others is the best remedy for Jupiter. Hope you like this video. Also see the other video related to Jupiter in transit in Aquarius for various signs. Namaste. Thank you. Shubhamastu.